Have you ever wondered, is there a taste difference between making the frozen barbecue chicken pizza that you see in the supermarket versus buying a fresh one at CPK? Is the price difference worth it or not? Well, today I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna buy both and give you my review, so stay tuned. So at Target, in the frozen section, I'm gonna grab this California Pizza Kitchen barbecue chicken thin crust pizza box. And it's only $5.29. Sounds like a good deal to me. Let's go. And now I'm going online and buying the same barbecue chicken pizza. Hey, and it was the first item listed under CPK favorites. It's $16.99, so let's hope this is good. I'm just getting the original hand crust, but there's an option here if you want to get the thin crust. It'll be $1.50 more. That'll make your total to $18.49, just so you know. But I'm sticking to the $16.99 hand crust. So this is the frozen barbecue chicken pizza box. Let's take a look at this. Pretty easy instructions. Preheat to 400, take out the plastic, place on the middle rack, and bake for 15 to 16 minutes. Okay. Okay, so after 15 minutes, this is what I got. And the fresh pizza order just got delivered, so it's compare time. This is already sliced. The crust looks thicker, and this looks like a very thin crust all around. Let's see. Chicken pieces are bigger, and these are sliced. I see more barbecue sauce on here, and maybe cilantro or parsley. I'll give you a close-up on this. Can you see how thin this is? It's like so thin. This one, okay, it's about the same. It's thin, but the crust is just thicker. It's thin, but the crust is just so bloated. How many slices did they cut this into? 6. All right, so I got these slices. Okay, so
what I wanted to do was use this spinner. I have a blindfold. I wanted to see if I could tell a difference. I'm gonna use a fork, that way I'm not touching the pizza.
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. The fork is stuck in here.
Okay, let's do that.
For this, and this is the
Fresh store-bought and the baked, the one that I just baked. Heat-wise, they're both still on low heat. So I'm gonna put this blindfold. It's totally pitch black. Okay. My eyes are totally, I cannot see anything, and I have them closed. So I'm gonna spin this. Okay. Oops. I let it spin. Okay, I'm just gonna grab the fork. Where's the fork? I'm gonna spin it one more time. Okay. Where's the fork? Okay, I feel fork. Okay, whatever this one it is, I'm gonna eat this first. Mind you, I've never had a barbecue California Pizza Kitchen barbecue pizza. So we're gonna see the difference, how they taste. The cheaper one or the more expensive one. Am I holding it right? Okay, now I gotta find where the tip of the pizza is. Okay. I already bit into some chicken and barbecue sauce. Tasting the cheese. I taste some onion. Okay. It's not bad. Where's the other? Like, I don't want to touch the pizza. Where's the fork? Okay. So this was the first one. Let me eat with my right hand. Is it stuck? Okay. Is the pizza on here? Where is the pizza? This one I felt like I bit into some onions. It has a more sweet flavor to it. It's a little more flavorful. But I'm not grabbing much chicken on this one. There's not much chicken on this. I'm mostly tasting the sauce and the bread, the crust. Okay. it's not fulfilling. Like, there wasn't much chicken or toppings on this. I could taste the sauce more, but this one I felt like there was a lot of topping on it, and the chicken, hey, I gotta go back. Where's, yeah, this one has more topping than chicken, but there's not as much sauce on it. I feel like if you add sauce, it could be as good or better. So wait. Yeah, there's less barbecue sauce on this. I feel like it came out. Okay, so that was my initial thought, just tasting it. Let me see what, this was the first one. Okay, so this was the second one because the crust is thick. Okay, that was interesting. Yeah, so like I said, this one doesn't have much topping on it. This one I felt like had more topping but less sauce. It was a little more flavorful, I think, because it had more sauce on it. And I could taste like some onion, or what is this? Yeah, it has red onion. Just by looking at it, you can already tell there's larger pieces of onions in here. And the chicken is bigger, but they only put like three chicken on a slice. This one had a chunk of little chicken on each slice. That's probably why it could taste more chicken. They just need to add more sauce on this, and I feel like it could be just as good as this. Let me see how this crust tastes. Crust is dry. It's just dry. There's nothing exciting about that. The crust on this, it's crunchy all the way to the end. I like the texture when you bite on it. This one feels like there's so much pieces of bread and it's just dry and plain. This one wins for the crust. Is this why my chicken fell out on this? Let me grab my sauce, my homemade sauce. This is my homemade yum yum sauce, and this is my homemade ranchito sauce. This is the sauce that CPK's serves with their egg rolls. It can be used for anything. It's just a spicy ranch. This is a hibachi sauce, a Japanese Benihana style yum yum sauce. It could also be used generally for poultry, fish, chicken, shrimp. So I have recipes of these in on my channel, and I'll link those for you if you want to check those out. But pizzas with these would be perfect. Let me see how these taste with. I might as well use this as a plate. Let me try this one again, and I'm gonna make sure there's like two slices. only 2 slices of chicken on this slice, and that's what it's most of it is, sauce. Oh yeah, the sauce definitely brings up the quality. Let me try this. Definitely brings up the quality taste of the entire pizza. This yum yum sauce, oh my gosh. You guys need to taste this. It's called yum yum sauce, Y-U-M, Y-U-M. Okay. Yeah, this is good. This is so much better with the sauce. Again, when I bite into this, a lot of chicken pieces. And because you already dip it in sauce, I feel like this is already perfect. This one you gotta scramble to find chicken pieces. Otherwise it's just gonna taste like bread and sauce and maybe some onion. Let me try this ranchito sauce. Oh yeah, this one's fire too. So good. I think this sauce is fire with these pizzas. So my verdict on this, was it worth spending $17 for this pizza, and or buying this frozen for $5.29? Got this at Target. This is like more than triple the price. This, you could buy 3 of these and it would still be less than that. This one tastes better, and for what you get, if you just add sauce to it, it's perfect. This one doesn't have much chicken on it, and you have to scramble to find it. See, like this whole piece, there's only 2 chicken here. Everything else is sauce and onion. Look at this big piece, the biggest piece of slice in the box. Chicken. Everything else is bread, sauce, and onion. So yeah, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth buying this for $17. And you got what, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slice. It's the same size, and this whole pizza was only $5.29. I will go with this. Save the money. Save what, $12? $12. You can save $12 and just get this, and be just as good or better than this. Just add it with sauce. Add it ranch, what kind of flavor dipping sauce you like. If you dip this in sauce, this is my favorite. It brings it up to a whole new level. Definitely like restaurant quality. but not restaurant quality like that. So yeah, the cheaper one wins in my book. That's my opinion. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you out. Maybe if you're deciding to take out, bake, just spend the extra 15 minutes to bake this. Totally worth it. All right, I'll see you guys later. Check out my other videos, and I'll keep doing more reviews of other things. Aloha.